Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll learn about basic concepts of profit and loss and few important formulas related to this concept. Before we come to actual topic, let's learn about two terminologies called cost price and selling price of an article. The cost price of an article is the price at which the shopkeeper pays to the wholesaler. That is, the amount paid to purchase the article is called as the cost price. Now, what is the selling price? The price at which the article is being sold is called as the selling price. For example, suppose you purchase a mobile phone at rupees 40,000 and you sell it for 50,000. So in this case, what you observe, that selling price is greater than the cost price. So in this case, if I ask you whether you will earn or you will lose, so 40,000 is obviously less than 50,000, so you are getting extra money. So this extra money is called as profit. So whenever you have to find out profit, SP should be greater and SP minus cost price is equal to profit. On the other hand, if this phone is suppose sold at rupees 30,000, that means my selling price is less than the cost price and I am having a loss over here of rupees 10,000. That means if I have to find out loss, I will do CP minus SP. That means cost price minus selling price. Now another few concept related to this is that if you need to find out profit percent or you have to find out loss percent. So in this case, if you have to find out profit percent, it will be profit upon CP into 100%. And if you have to find out loss percent, it will be loss upon CP into 100%. The thing which you have to keep in mind over here, that whether you are calculating profit percent or loss percent, it is always calculated on CP. Another thing, if you need to find out suppose selling price and suppose profit percent or loss percent are individually given to you. So if you have to find out SP, it will be 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. And suppose if loss percent is given to you, then SP will be equal to 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into CP. Now suppose you have to find out cost price. So in this case, formula for finding cost price in case of profit percent will be 100 upon 100 plus profit percent into SP, or if there is a loss percent, then cost price will be equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into SP. In my next videos, you can see how these formulas can be used in real life situations. Thank you and keep watching.